Today I am reviewing the GMKtec EVO-X2 AI Mini PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let us start with what makes this machine a historic shift in the tech landscape, which is the processor. This device is the next true evolution in the AI mini PC space, debuting the revolutionary AMD Strix Halo architecture. It is powered by the top-tier AMD Ryzen AI Max Plus 395 processor. Featuring 16 full-performance Zen 5 CPU cores and 32 threads thanks to simultaneous multithreading, it delivers a massive processing pool that absolutely shreds through heavy multi-threaded workloads. With an expansive 64 megabytes of L3 cache and a clock speed that bursts up to a blistering 5.1 GHz, it matches or exceeds high-end traditional desktop tower processors while using a fraction of the physical space and power consumption. For artificial intelligence development, this machine is an absolute dream come true. It features an integrated neural processing unit built on AMD RDNA 2 architecture that delivers over 50 peak tops of AI performance. When you combine the CPU, graphics, and NPU, you get an overall system calculation speed that makes it currently rated as the most powerful x86 APU on the market for consumer AI workloads. I spent days testing it locally with client language model workloads using apps like LLM Studio and running heavy large language models. Thanks to the monumental 128 gigabytes of 8-channel LPDDR5X onboard memory running at a blazing 8,000 megatransfers per second, this machine can comfortably load and run massive open-source models like DeepSeek 70 completely locally without needing a cloud subscription. The graphics processing configuration is equally historic. Instead of the typical weak integrated graphics found in standard compact PCs, the EVO-X2 features the top-of-the-line AMD Radeon 8090S integrated GPU driven by 40 RDNA 3.5 compute units running at a graphics clock speed of up to 2.9 GHz. In real-world gaming tests, this integrated chip easily bridges the gap and positions itself comfortably between a dedicated desktop-class graphics card or a modern laptop GPU, like the mid-tier RTX 4060 and 4070 variants. You can load up demanding modern AAA titles and play smoothly in full high definition or even 1440p resolution at maximum graphical details with stable, high frame rates. Because the graphics pool utilizes the unified 8-channel onboard system memory, you can allocate a massive portion of that 128 gigabytes directly to virtual video memory, and capability that is completely unheard of in a chassis of this size. Storage is incredibly quick and expansive, utilizing a pre-installed 2TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe solid-state drive for instant asset loading, massive data transfers, and near-instant operating system boot times. Content creators will absolutely love the integrated SD card reader 4.0 on the front panel, which natively supports UHS-2 cards for rapid, steady photo and video file ingestions. The visual output and connectivity on the back of this metal and CNC sandblasted chassis are fully future-proofed. It supports an insane quad-screen setup with up to 8K display resolution at 60 Hz via its comprehensive port layout, including a dedicated HDMI 2.1 port, a DisplayPort 1.4, and dual 40 gigabit per second USB for Type-C ports. For networks, you get a high-speed 2.5 gigabit Ethernet LAN port alongside cutting-edge Wi-Fi 7 technology and Bluetooth 5.4, ensuring maximum bandwidth and rock-solid wireless peripheral tracking. To keep this dense hardware layout frosty, GMKtec engineered a triple cooling fan solution featuring dual-turbo CPU fans and a dedicated memory and SSD fan. While it can get audible under maximum power loads, switching between the three performance modes via the convenient physical button on the case allows you to drop down to quiet mode at 54 watts, balance mode at 85 watts, or unlock the full 140-watt performance mode instantly without ever digging through the BIOS. If you want a top-tier supercomputing powerhouse that replaces a massive desktop tower for local AI development, premium creator workflows, and serious gaming, the GMKtec EVO-X2 is the ultimate cutting-edge premium upgrade to target this Prime Day.